will take the carry book.
Okay. Good morning, my friend. Good morning, grade 7. I miss you so much. Today we'll start a new lesson. But before we start this lesson, we need to make this a small revision. We will make a quick check. Firstly, read Khalid Battle what we have in the head of the question. The head of the question is said what?
A quick check.
Quick check. Okay, complete.
Okay, identity, each solid.
Identify, Khalid. Identify.
Identify. Each solid, name the number and shapes of the face. Then name the number of edge and vertex.
Ages, Khalid. Ages.
Edges and vertex.
So again, read Faisal, please.
Identify each solid. Name the number and shapes of the faces. Then name the number of edges and vertices.
Vertices. This is vertices, not vertex, because this one is the plural. Okay.
Okay.
Who can tell me about the name of this first solid?
Cuboid.
The name. No. It's something like cuboid. Because we have all the faces are like squares. This one is not cuboid. This one is what? If I have all faces are squares. No, this one is not square. The faces is square. It's look like the cuboid, but it will be not cuboid. What is the name of this shape? This solid. The second one will be cuboid, but this one we can call it by what? This one.
I'll go 5 minutes and I will come back, okay?
Okay, we can go. So we said that this shape will be called by what? This one, Fahd Saleh, we can call it by cube. Do you remember the cube? So again, this shape we can call it by cube. So the first shape, Faisal, will be that cube, and the second one, Khalid Batil, will be cuboid. Again, I will call the first one, Fahd Saleh, by cube, and the second one will be called by cuboid. Okay.
The first one, what's your name, Mister?
Cube.
Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Okay, the next one, Mister. Alaikum salam.
The first one is cube, and the second one is cuboid. The first one is cube, and the second one is cuboid. Okay? Who can tell me about the number of the vertices in the first solid?
1 minute.
Me. 6.
If you know, raise your hand, please. I need the number of vertices. Okay, Faisal?
6.
How many vertices are there? They are
1, 2, 3,
faces.
4, 5.
1, 2, 3.
8.
They are 8. Again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in the top, and we have 4 in the down, Khalid Batil. So 4 in the top and 4 in the down, I have 8. Again, I have here 4 vertices in the top and 4 vertices in the bottom. In the down part 4, and in the top part we have 4. So we have 8 vertices. Okay? I need to asking about the number of edges. I need another one. Okay? Who can solve this question? If you know, raise your hand, please. I need the number of edges.
Okay.
Okay? Faisal, again, I need another person. I asking, raise your hand if you know the answer, please. The number of edges. Okay, Ahmed, go. Ahmed Sgher.
12.
It will be 12. Why? Because I have 4 in the top, right? And 4 in the bottom. And I have 4 like legs. Okay? So I have here that 8 vertices and 12 edges. How many faces are there? How many faces are there? And what is the shape of the face? If you know, raise your hand, Faisal. Don't answer directly.
I did not answer.
Okay. Turkey, how many faces?
How many faces?
Yes. We said 8 vertices, 12 edges. Okay. How many faces here?
I know, Mister.
Mister 6.
They are 6, Turkey. Excellent, Turkey. Excellent. I need to ask you, Turkey, now, what is the shape of each face here? In the cube. We said this shape is cube.
Yes.
All edges are equal in length. All edges are equal in length. So all faces are what? The 6 faces are what?
Square.
2 minutes and I'll come.
So we have here again, Ahmed. I have 8 vertices. Okay, we have 4 in the top, 4 in the down. We have 12 edges, 4 in the top, 4 in the down, and I have 4 like legs. I have 6 faces, and each face will be look like the square. Now we go to the second solid. The second solid is called by. Who can tell me? Who can tell me about the name of the second one? I need the name of the second one. Okay, Faisal?
Cuboid.
Yes.
Cuboid. Excellent, Khalid. Battle and
Khalid, this is not.
Okay, Khalid. So we said that the second solid here is called by cuboid. Khalid, can you tell me how many vertices are there?
Okay. 2.
How many vertices?
4.
Khalid, we have dots, vertices. If I give you choose by this way, I have dots, vertices in cuboid. How many of them? Can you count them? How many vertices in the cuboid? Okay, I will choose another one. Okay, can Turkey set for me how many vertices there in this solid?
1, 2.
We have the vertices will be that one, like this one, this bunch.
Mister, I know.
8.
They are 8. We have here 8 vertices, right? We have here 8 vertices. Okay. Can Faisal tell me how many edges are there?
Yes.
How many edges, Faisal?
3, 4, 5, 8.
Faisal.
8.
They are 8 vertices. Edges. I'm talking about the edges.
Ages 1,
Yes, about the edges, Faisal.
1, 2, 3. Four.
If someone eat, please don't eat beside the mic. Okay? Or mute yourself. I don't sit for you, don't eat. Okay? Mute the mic and you can eat as you want. You can drink your milk. You can take your breakfast. Okay? So here we have that. I have 8 vertices, right? And 12 vertices. Ahmed, I need to ask you a question, Ahmed. What is the shape of each face here? If I'm talking about the face, can you tell me how many? How many faces firstly?
4.
Ahmed.
No.
Ahmed.
Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
They are 6. Look with me. In the cube and in the cuboid, we have the same number of the vertices, of the edges, and the faces. We have, again, 6 faces for the both,
And the
8
edges.
vertices for the both, and 12 edges. Okay? I need here Fahd Saleh. Said for me, what is the shape of each face here, Fahd Saleh? Fahd Saleh. Ya Shabab, anyone, I asking him and he doesn't answer, he doesn't participate, he is absent. Okay?
Mister, I have a question.
Yes. Yes.
Forget the edges yesterday. What is the edges? Can you say it to me again?
The edge will be what, ya Faisal? It will be the line of intersection of 2 faces. The line of intersection. Like what, ya Faisal? Like what? Do you see the table?
Yes.
The top part and the side part. You have a line joining between them, right?
Yeah.
This is called by the edge.
Mhm.
So the edge is what, ya Faisal? Like the cupboard. If you have in your room a cupboard, okay? You have the top and the front. You have a line joining between them. This one we called it by the edge. So how many edge here, Faisal? Look with me. We have here 12. Why, Faisal? Because I have 4 in the top, my friend, and I have 4 in the bottom or the down part, and I have 4 like legs. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and 4 in the top and 4 in the down. So I have here 12 edges. Okay? We will go now to the next slide. Okay? Ahmed, can you read
Yes.
this essential question, please?
How do measurements help you describe real world objects?
Again, Ahmed, I can't hear you.
How do measurements help you describe real worlds objects?
So Ahmed said that how does measurement help you to describe real world objects? Okay, again,
Yeah.
how do measurements help you to describe real world objects? Okay, I need Faisal now. Read the next slide, please. Faisal, read. Read, my friend, Faisal.
Mister, I will read, Mister.
I will make you the next Khalid.
Okay.
Faisal Shlawi, my friend, where are you here? Okay, go Khalid better.
Okay, Mister. What we will learn today? To find
What
the
we need to learn today?
What we will
We
learn
will
today.
learn today. Okay.
To find the
Diameter.
diameter
Find
and
the diameter.
to find
Repeat
the
it again.
to find
Raise
the
your voice. Speak up.
to find the diameter. To find the diameter.
Repeat after me. Diameter.
Diameter.
Diameter. Again. Diameter.
Diameter.
Okay.
To find
And
the diameter and radius of a circle.
again, Faisal, read it again.
To find the diameter and radius of a circle.
The next.
Find the circumference of a circle. To find the circumference of the circle.
Khalid Batter, can you read it again, please, my friend?
Okay. What will we learn today? To find the diameter and radius of a
Radius. Again.
Okay.
And the radius. To find the diameter and the radius
of
a circle.
Circle.
Again, repeat with me. To find the diameter and radius of circle.
Of a circle.
And the next one?
To find the circumference of circumference of a circle.
Okay. Can another person read Turkey, please?
Voice.
To find the circumference of a circle.
No, read the first and the second Turkey, please.
To find the diameter and radius of a circle. To find a circumference of a circle.
Okay. We need now to go to another slide. Please be with me. The new vocabulary of this lesson, Ahmed Sagir, read.
Circle, center, wait, I can see. Circumference.
Circumference. Again, repeat with me, Ahmed. Circumference. Circumference.
Circumference. Diameter. Radius. Radius. And pi.
Pi. It's called by pi. This sign, Ahmed, in math, we called it by pi. Again, I need another person read. Dawood, please. The new vocabulary of this lesson.
Circle, center, the center, yeah.
Yes.
Uh,
Circumference. This word is called by circumference.
circumference,
Again, repeat it again, Dawood.
circumference,
Make it pressure. Circumference.
circumference,
Again.
circumference.
Okay. The next.
What?
The next is what?
Her
Diameter.
diameter, radius,
Radius. Okay. And this one called by? Pi. This one called by what? Pi. Dari, can you read them again, please?
pi, pi.
Dari.
Circle, center, circumference, diameter,
Diameter.
diameter,
Diameter.
diameter,
Radius.
radius,
And
Pi.
this one is what? Pi. Again, Turkey, read them again.
Circle, center, circumference, diameter, radius, pi.
Again, Ahmed, the last time. Read them.
Circle, center, circumference, diameter, radius, and
Radius.
pi.
Radius. Okay.
Radius.
And pi. Thank you, Ahmed. Now we will go to another point, ya shabab. Be with me, please. Look with me, my friend. If we look into this, read that, Ahmed, please.
Wait, mister. I can't see the
Key concept.
Okay, wait. Okay.
Read, yeah.
Radius and diameter. Words, symbol.
Ahmed, it's called not radius like you read. It will be radius. Repeat with me, radius. Radius. Radius and diameter.
Words.
Again, Ahmed.
Radius and diameter. Words. The diameter of a circle is twice its radius.
So the diameter is twice of the radius. It means double, right?
Yeah.
So the diameter is twice of the radius. Complete.
The radius are of a circle is half of its diameter.
Okay. Let the diameter, ya Ahmed, like what? Like your dad. The diameter is like your dad. If your dad is double your age, double your age, I will say that D is equal to R. D is equal to R. So R, it means you, equals what of your dad? You are the half of your dad. Again, dad double of you. Diameter double radius. Diameter double radius. So the diameter here is double radius. So the radius here is equal what? Is equal half of the diameter. It means you are equal half your dad. Again, if the diameter is double the radius, so the radius is equal half of the diameter. Okay, look with me. If we look into the red line all here, this red line all, Faisal, we call the pi diameter. Again, Faisal, if I look at Turkey, for this line all, from here to here, this line all, I call the pi diameter. So this line, I call the pi diameter. You can see that? All of this line, I call the pi diameter. If you look into this part only, from the blue point to the top, from this point, the center, we call it by the center. The blue point here, I call it by the center. To this point, I call it by the radius. So this distance only, Ahmed, I call it by the radius. The small part here, this one, I called it by the radius. But this all is called by diameter. Again, Ahmed, look with me, Dawood. If I talking about this line, all Dawood, I called it by what? It's called by diameter. Diameter.
What?
This line
It's
all
called
is
what?
called by what?
Diameter.
What?
Diameter.
Diameter?
Again, ya Turkey, this line all is called by what?
Diameter.
Called by diameter. This line, I called it by diameter, okay? But this small part here, from the center to the point on the circle, I called it by the radius. Again, grade 7. If I have the total line, the total red line, I called it by diameter. But the small one here, I will call it by the radius. I will call this line by the radius. I said that the diameter, this line, double the radius. It will be twice the radius. Again, Ahmed, this red line all is called by the diameter. And from the blue point, the center to the circle, I called it by the radius. So the diameter here equal double of the radius. It means 2 radius. So 1 radius is equal what? Look with me.
Half
Radius
the
equal half the diameter. It means diameter over 2. The radius is equal what, ya Turkey? Half the diameter. It means diameter over 2. Again, radius equal what? Diameter over 2. Repeat with me. Radius equal what? Diameter over
2.
Again,
2.
Ahmed, radius equal what? Diameter
Diameter
over 2
of the 2.
divided by 2. So this one, Dawood, I will divide the diameter over 2, gives me the radius. So the big line here, the line joining between the 2 points here is called by the diameter. But the small line segment joining between the center and any point on the circle is radius. So the small part is called by the radius. The small part, I called it by the radius. But the big one, I called it by diameter. The big one, I will call it by diameter. So the radius is equal diameter divided by 2. Again, Dawood, I will make what Khalid bet. The radius is equal what, my friend? Is equal diameter over 2. I will divide it 14 over 2. I will divide it 14 over 2, Ahmed. It gives me 7. It means what, Ahmed? This part is
Only
equal
7,
7.
Mr. Only
And
7
this one
or
is
not?
with what?
This is the answer or 7?
Yes, the radius is equal 7, Khalid Batel. The radius, my friend, equal 7. Look, ya Khalid. Can you see this part, the small part only?
Mr.
Yes.
This one is equal 7. And the small part down, I have this length is equal 7. Yes, Faisal.
Mr. You are putting the mic in your mouth. We cannot hear something.
Okay. I don't make this.
Wallah.
Be with me. Okay. Be
Your
with me.
voice is...
Okay. I said that, ya Faisal. If I have the total length of this one, my friend.
Yeah.
So this one will be called by diameter.
Diameter.
This one will be called by diameter. So if you're talking about the red line all, Faisal, I will have this one is called by diameter. Okay? So this line, Omar, is called by the diameter. But if I talking about the small part, this or this, will be what? I will have name by radius. So if you have the diameter is 14, so the radius is equal diameter divided by 2. Again, if you have the diameter is equal 14, the radius is equal half. So I will make what? I will make 14 divided by 2. 14 divided by 2, Yazid, will be equal what? It will be 7. Okay? You understand it?
Yes.
So if I need the radius, Ahmed, I will divide it by 2. If I need the radius, I will divide it by 2. If I have the diameter, I will divide the diameter over 2. If I need the diameter, I will multiply by 2. Dari, can you tell me how I can find the radius if the diameter is 48, Dari? Dari. Dari. Okay, Dari doesn't.
Khalid.
Okay.
Khalid.
What?
Your mic.
Yeah, Shabab.
Not my mic. No.
Okay.
Me too, I hear.
Now,
You
Ahmed,
are doing like this.
No.
Stop, make noisy, or I will make you get out. Okay? If I have the diameter is equal 48. If I have the diameter is will be equal 48 Turkey. What is the radius? How I can find the radius? Yazid, can you answer Yazid? If I have the diameter Yazid is equal 48
Yes.
centimeter. What is this? I said if I need the radius, I will divide it by 2, right?
Yes, mister, I know.
Yes.
Go Yazid.
48 divided by 2.
So 48 divided by 2. 48, if I will divide it by 2, Yazid, it's equals what?
Divided by 2.
Yes, 48 divided by 2, Yazid, equals what? Without using calculator. 48 divided by 2. Mental. Make it mental. Turkey, do you know?
Yes.
Yes. Equals what, Turkey?
24.
Excellent, Turkey. So look with me, Yazid. Yazid.
Mr.
Read
I
the
said
question.
24. You didn't hear me.
Okay. I doesn't hear that. Okay, please read the question again, Yazid.
The diameter of a circle is 48 centimeters. Find the radius.
We need to find the radius. So if the diameter is equal 48 and I need to find the radius, what will make?
48 divided by 2 equal 24.
So I will divide it 48 over 2 because the diameter is equal double radius. Diameter is equal double radius. So the radius is equal what? Radius equal half of the diameter. Radius is equal half of the diameter. So I will divide 48 over 2. It gives me 24. 48 divided by 2, it gives me 24. Look with me to this question. Ahmed, can you read the head of this question, please?
Okay. The radius of a circle is 8 feet. Find the diameter.
Diameter. Again, read the question again, Ahmed.
The radius of a circle is 8 feet. Find the diameter.
Find the diameter, okay? Look with me, Adol. This red line here, I will call it by the radius. This small line here from the center to the circle, I called it by the radius. This line segment, my friend, is called by the radius. And the radius here is 8 feet. The radius here is 8 feet. If I need the diameter, we said what we will make, Dawood? We will multiply that by 2.
By 2.
So if I have the radius is 8, the radius Faisal is equal 8, I will multiply by 2. So the diameter is equal what, my friend? Double radius. Again, the diameter is equal double radius. Diameter equal double radius. I said that. Your father, W. Your father is W. If you have 8 Saudi riyal, for an example, your father is double of you. So he is what? 8 by 2, he has 16, right?
Yeah.
So if I need the diameter, it means that I need diameter, it means that. That is double of U, Faisal. That W. So I will multiply. Multiply what? 2 by 8. I will multiply 2 by 8. It gives me what? 2 by 8. It gives me 16 feet. So the diameter here, look with me, the diameter here is equal 16. Again, if the radius, Ahmed, this part is called by radius. This line segment is called by radius because it's joining between the center and any point on the circle. You're joining between the center and any point on the circle. So because you're joining between the center and any point on the circle, Ahmed, this one is called by radius. So this one is called by what? This one will be called by radius. This one is called by radius. So this line segment is called by what? This line segment is called by radius. If the radius is 8 and I need Ahmed the diameter, what we will make for Q? I will multiply 2 by 8. 2 by 8. 2 by 8 equals what? Equals 16. Go with me to the next slide, please.
Mister,
Okay, can you read the head, please?
Mister, the class is being finished.
Be with me. The class will be finished.
No,
No,
21
10:20.
minutes.
10:20.
Okay, I
11,
finish this question
11
and I will
will
finish.
Miss,
After
أوريد
11
أوريد.
will finish. Yeah.
Yazid,
The
read.
session will finish.
The radius of a circle is 9
Mr.
inches. Find the diameter.
Again.
The radius of circle is 9 inches. Find the diameter.
So he gives me the radius here, Yazid, is 9 inches, right? Turk, if I give you the radius is 9, can you tell me how I can find the diameter?
Times 2.
Multiply that by 2. Excellent. So if I give you the radius, is 9 inches. If I give you the radius is 9 inches.
9 times 2 equal 18.
We'll make 9 by 2, multiply this one by 2, ya Dawood, it gives me 18 inches. Again, be with me, please. I will make it. I said that. خلي بالك.
Not me, mister. Me too, I hear the sound. Not me.
لأنك
Okay.
أنت اللي
I
قاعد
bring
تسويه.
I bring a new mic.
Okay. Khalid, keep quiet, please. You are my best friend in grade 7B.
Thank you.
Okay. So please keep quiet. If I have the radius of the circle is 9 inches. The radius, it means the line segment, it should be joining here, like this example, but I have this one not 8, it will be 9. If the radius here is 9, this is the radius, is 9, and I need the diameter. So I will multiply the diameter, okay, I multiply the radius by 2 to get the radius. So if this one becomes 9, like this example, so I have 9 by 2, it gives me 18. So if I need the radius, I will divide it by 2, Akhel. If I need the radius, I will divide it by 2. If I need the diameter, I will multiply by 2. Please be with me and take care about this one. The key concept said what? The circumference. Key concept here will be circumference. What is the circumference, Ahmed? The circumference of the circle is equal to pi times its diameter. Again, Turkey. If I need the circumference of the circle, what is the meaning of the circumference? It means that the length of this frame. You know that? If I need the length of the frame of the circle, this length O, what will make, ya shabab? We will find the circumference by this rule. Keep it in your mind. The circumference is equal pi times diameter. Again, the circumference equal what, ya Turkey? Turkey.
Yes.
Circumference equals what? Pi times diameter. Again, circumference equal what, ya Turkey?
Pi times diameter.
Again, Ahmed, what is the circumference?
I know it.
Pi, it's called by pi, Ahmed. This symbol like T by 2 legs, called by pi. Pi times diameter. Again, the circumference
M
is
times
equal what?
twice, it's
We don't talking about this rule. Keep this rule firstly in your mind. The circumference equal pi times diameter. Again, circumference is equal what, ya Ahmed?
pi times diameter.
Again, the circumference is equal what, Dawood? Pi times diameter. Again, Dawood, circumference is equal what, ya Dawood? Dari, can you set this rule? Circumference is equal. Dari.
Sir, I have noise.
Okay, I need Yazid. What is the circumference? Pi times what?
Pi times diameter.
Okay, the second rule here. The circumference is equal to pi r. The circumference is equal to pi r. So 2 times pi, this symbol is called by what, ya Ahmed? Pi. This symbol is called by what? Pi. T by 2 legs by this way, it's called by pi in math. This symbol is called by what? this sample is called by pi. So again, the circumference is equal pi times diameter or 2 times pi times radius. Again, circumference is equal what? Pi times diameter or 2 times pi times a radius. Turkey, can you read the two rules, please?
Pi times diameter or what is the C, Mister?
Circumference. See, it means circumference.
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 Pi,
Again, repeat with me. Circumference. Turkey.
Circumference.
Again, circumference.
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 Okay, so the circumference is equal what?
Equal pi times diameter.
Or
Pi
pi
two-
times radius. Repeat. 2 times pi times radius.
2 times pi times radius.
Again, Ahmed, what is the circumference?
2 times pi times the
Radius.
radius.
2 times pi times radius.
2 times pi times radius.
Again, Khalid Batil, what is the circumference? Read the two rules.
Okay.
Circumference equal.
Mister, I have noise. Can I seek the mute?
2 times pi times radius.
Okay. I need Omar.
Yes.
Omar Al-Ghamdi.
Yes, Mister.
Said the two rules, please.
Pi times diameter or 2 pi radius.
Okay, Dawood, can you read this rule? Dawood. Fahd Saleh. Fahd Saleh, my friend, where are you? You are absent by this way, okay.
Mister, he's mute.
I make unmute for all, wallah. I need you all to participate. He is make mute for himself. Okay, I need Yazid. Can you read the two rules again? The circumference is equal what?
Pi times diameter or
Diameter.
C diameter or C
Circumference equal.
2 times pi times radius.
Okay. Grade 7, thank you for your time today. I
You're welcome,
hope
Mister.
You're welcome, Mister.
Okay, I need firstly to send your homework. Your homework is very small. It's talking about the circumference. So open your book now. Open your book, please. Page number 619. You will solve number 20 and 21. 619, number 20 and 21. This is the first part of the homework. Okay, number 2, grade 7. Please go to the website of SBS and solve the electronic exam, because I can see that the most of you doesn't solve the exam, and this one is not good.
I don't see anything.
Ahmed, I put 2 electronic quiz in this week, and in the previous week I do the same. So please check the
I don't see.
website. Ahmed, wallahi, I put that. Okay, if you can't see it, talk with Mr. Tamer, because he can deal with this problem. Okay, thank you for your time, grade 7.
Thank you, Mister.
I said that the homework will be page number 619. It will be 20 and 21. Okay, and solve the electronic exam. Thank you for your time, grade 7.
You're welcome.
See you soon, inshallah.
Yeah.
Bye bye.